And now we see the first.
24-second violation, but he took a hurried shot towards the end of the 24-second clock. Ito na si Torion. Ito na yung sinasabi natin.
Torion goes up, goes up. Oh, yes, sorry!
Ito na, first shot, first basket.
What a move! Parang ipo-ipo. Jimwell Torion introducing himself to the Flash. Usapan ng mabilis. Look at the spin. Ang ipo-ipo going up even against the big man off the glass.
He's got wings on his feet. Ng Posey. So that's a 5-point advantage ng Ginebra sa free throws. Kanya namang 5 points na lamang nila.
And there's a foul laban kay Baldavid on that jump shot by Jimwell Torion. Second foul on the Flash. And once again, happy to have you with us, Philippines. Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kababayan.
That ball to go into the hands of Ato Agustin. Wala man lang lumundag to get the possible defensive rebound.
35-31. At si Torion nag-somersault on the floor, and yet he will pick up the foul laban kay Flash David. That'll be the first foul on Jimwell Torion.
Alam mo, partner, very similar situation happened to Baldavid and Chris Bolado kanina. No?
Yes.
Pero si Bolado ang natawagan.
Talagang batang-bata pa sila.
Partner, but this is a team that I think can quickly mature. Not slowly mature, but quickly mature because of the presence of the veterans.
Uy, nice steal by Torion.
To.
Torion is away. He will go for the basket. And Jimwell Torion showing lightning quick moves. Kung sa pagkakataon na yung foul, si Alex Rizano, watch this steal first by Jimwell Torion. And even in slow-mo, he looks like he's in fast motion. Jimwell Torion out-racing Baldavid.
Malapit na ako mag-graduate. Dapat naman, pakita ko dito.
Ayan, inirecall si Will Merong na sana ipapalit kay Alex Rizano. 7.5 remaining sa third quarter. Muli po kami natutuwang makasama kayo. Lusot si Meneses pero may foul. Bago doon sa kanyang in the final quarter. Of what has been an auspicious debut for the PBA 2000. There's going to be a foul as David and Torion are entangled on the floor.
Partner, sa tingin ko, nagkakainitan yung dalawa. I think Baldavid was embarrassed by Torion earlier when the ball was stolen from him. Tapos naka-score ito si Torion. Ito, panurin natin itong replay natin.
Aagawan sana uli ni Torion.
One-on-one action.
Pero inihila niya.
Hinihila niya. Oh, naku. Pagsak yung dalawa. Napaupo yung dalawa. Naku, yun.
Binaksakan pa niya para maramdaman niya kung ano yung PBA. Ito na naman ang gagawin ni Torion. Torion laban kay David. Umangat. Oh, yes! Oh, my God!
That time, hinabol ni Baldavid, partner, but he was not able to give him enough room, partner, to miss the shot. Kanya, si Torion was able to get off the shot. 3-point play opportunity.
Finito, Torion is embarrassing Baldavid here.
Ito sinasabi natin kanina. This could be the future Baldavid.
A future Baldavid? A future Johnny? Maybe. But too early to tell. Ito si David. 6 seconds na. Agawan na naman ni Torion. Another steal by Jimwell. Tora. Torion binigay. Sising-sisi siya.
Whoa. What a player!
Watch it again. Aagawan niya si Baldavid dito sa crossover move ni Bal.
Dapat 3 beses na yan na naagawan si Baldavid ni Jimwell Torion.
And he is embarrassing the Flash at the moment, although Barangay Ginebra continues to lead in this basketball game by 16 points, 73-57. We'll be back sa Bayan ng Superstars. Pumapalag pa rin, bagamat ang oras pababa na po at 16 pa rin ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra. And that's the kind of attitude that I'm sure Yang Giao and the rest of the management would like to have. Another steal by Torion. Flash David. Binigay kay Corby. There's a foul and a basket. Here we go. That is the 4th steal of Jimwell Torion laban kay Baldavid.
Alam mo, partner, ang nasa isip ni Baldavid, baka makakaw na naman siya. That's why he's so, parang nawawala na ang kanyang game mind, no? Yung kanyang mindset. Ito, panoorin na naman natin itong swipe coming from Jimwell Torion.
Parang napag-aralan ni Torion na ito si Baldavid, madalas inaangat yung bola sa ibabaw ng kanyang ulo. And every time inialam kay Dick, nagdi-deliver. Samantala, talking about delivering, Jimwell Torion getting the basket and another foul here. It may be against Baldavid and that will be it for him. Yes, and he will foul out. And today, it has been Jimwell Torion's day against the Flash.
Partner, very evident na outplay ni Jimwell Torion. Ito si Flash David. Ito panuuri natin na naman.
11 points for Tora Torion. And look at that one. Just getting away from Val David. Ang bilis nito si Torion.
May talagang mga kamikaze drive ang napapanood natin ang ginagawa ni Jimwell Torion. And to think that he's just coming off a major accident. Ito si Flash David.
Flash David knows that may araw ka rin, sabi niya. Pero
Oo.
ngayong araw na to, maaaring sa'yo si Torion. Kaya pa kaya? 12 hinahabol. Game na game itong batang Red Bull, but Barangay Ginebra is just playing so well today.
Alam mo, partner, we never saw an illegal defense violation in this game.
Yes. Miss shot mula kay Meneses. Loose ball picked up by Torion. Libre si Capasio ahead of the pack, and this will bring down the lead to 10. With a minute 19 remaining. Aba, sabi natin, the game is not over until the final horn, and Jimwell Torion and Glenn Capasio still fighting here. Batang Red Bull down.
Something to Merwin Castelo kanyan.